So something I want to cover before we end our look at the scanner class is an issue that comes up all the time, especially when you're first using it. It's when you combine different next methods with the next line method. So let's run this program and see what happens. So it's going to ask me to enter my age, and this is going to grab the next integer and assign it to age, which is great because it's already going to be in the int type. And then it's going to ask for my name, and I should be able to type in my name. And then at the end, it's just going to print it out back to me. See what happens. 29. Okay, something weird happened. I just hit the enter key once. It skipped the name prompt. So I wasn't given the chance to type in my name. And so name is blank because there was nothing in there. Now what happened? What actually happened? Well, next line, the way it works is it's looking for a new line character. That new line character tells it, hey, you've already read the line. You're done scanning, essentially. So when I actually hit the enter key, so I'll do it one more time. When I do 29 and I hit the enter key, that's actually producing a new line character here at the end. Because I use next int, that new line character hasn't been consumed, if you want to think about it that way, by the scanner. So the scanner needs to consume that new line character before it's going to read another one. So when I mix a next int with a next line is actually going to consume that leftover new line character, and it's going to think, hey, I already read the next line, so it's going to skip it entirely. So nice little trick is you could just do input dot next line, just call the method on its own, and this should fix the problem. So 29, this one is going to consume that new line character that got left over after next int. And then I can type in my name, William. I hit enter, and now the program works. So yeah, the difference here is that that extra character was not consumed yet, so I had to call an extra next line. If I use the next line, I can just go ahead and use next line again without any issues. But if this is a next int before a next line, then that's where you got to throw a next line in between. So just something to watch out for. So I'll do it with please enter your, I don't know, birth month, string birth month. I'm gonna call this next line. So I'm gonna show you, as long as they're both next lines, nothing's gonna happen. I don't need an extra next line. It's 29 will birth month December. Oh, and I didn't print out my birth month. Month. '29 will December. There it is. Now if this was please enter your birthday, and I did next int again. If you're doing a next int followed by a next line, you do need an extra next line. So we're gonna do birthday. This time print birthday. I'm gonna show you. So this one I did throw an extra next line, so no issues. But this one I didn't. So I'm gonna do first, and then yeah, the program failed to do what I wanted it to do. Didn't get any errors, but definitely not what I want the program to actually execute. So I do need an extra, again, next line to fix this. So between next int and next line, I need an extra next line. So now everything's going to work. 29, 1, December. There it is. Looks good. Yeah, just something to watch out for. But yeah, that's it for this video.